BabyBus.
Daddy, we're going out!
Play safe, kids! Little fish, this is for you! Huh? What's wrong? Oh no! It's an earthquake! I need to hide with my emergency bag! Found it!
Huh? Emergency!
Warning, warning, earthquake, buildings are collapsing, emergency rescue needed.
Super Rescue Team, let's go! Super Rescue Team! Everyone, protect your head and go to an open place!
Oh no! We're blocked!
Nothing can stop Super Strong Hank!
Whoa!
Everyone, follow me! It's safe here. There still are people trapped inside the collapsed building. Let's go save them. Okay. Super Rescue Team! My dad hasn't come out of there yet! Don't worry, we're gonna find him! Launch drones! Activate life detection!
Life signals detected.
Huh? Let's split up! Okay!
Okay.
Oh no! It's about to break! I need something to support it! Phew! Goodness! My children!
Hey! Mr. Turtle!
Finally, I'm safe.
This way, please.
Super Rescue Team, have you seen my children? They went out before the earthquake hit.
Daddy! We're here!
Ah, you're safe. That's great.
Mr. Hamster, are you okay there?
Ouch!
Are you hurt? Daddy! Oh.
I'm fine. Just a little hungry.
Sir, do you have an emergency bag?
Yes, I do.
There's water, food, medicine, and a first aid kit.
I'm feeling much better.
Sir, to save electricity, we'll hang up the phone for now. Take care of yourself.
Okay. I need to treat my foot.
Oh, life signals are coming from there. Hurry!
They found something! It must be Daddy!
Watch me!
Super Rescue Team!
Give us your hands!
Thank you for saving me.
I'll take you to a safe place.
It's Mr. Donkey! What about our Daddy?
No signals detected. Mr. Hamster might be trapped in a deeper place.
Mr. Hamster, we're doing our best to find you. Please conserve your energy until we come.
Okay. Oh no! My phone will turn off soon.
Remember, if you can hear us, make noise to help us find you.
I'll do that.
You're brave, Daddy! Hang in there, Daddy!
Daddy will be fine. Kids, Daddy... Daddy loves you.
He's not here! Not here either!
It's empty. Oh, my foot. Oh.
You're brave, Daddy! Hang in there, Daddy!
I'll never let you down. I'm so hungry. I need to find some food and water. It's bread. Oh, I hear water. Great! It's Super Rescue Team! I'm here! That's it! The whistle!
Mr. Hamster! Mr. Hamster! Listen, a sound is coming from over there. Huh? He's right below here. Hurry, Hank!
Got it!
Super Rescue Team! I'm here!
It's Mr. Hamster! We're coming! Huh? Mr. Hamster! I'll be right there!
Oh no! It's an aftershock!
Ah!
Huh? Watch out! Super speed!
Super Rescue Team is back! It's Daddy! Daddy! We were so worried about you!
Super Rescue Team saved me! And I didn't give up because of you. Thanks.
Daddy!
That's
Reaction training, go! Hey! Huh?
I got it!
Great!
I need something for energy.
Let's keep going!
No problem!
Huh? We have an emergency! Momo, take my ball!
Huh?
It smells good. Momo!
Huh?
Whoa!
army ants, a kind of insect, are small but really strong. They are moving experts that work in groups. But they have a problem while carrying things for Miss Butterfly. They keep going around in circles. So Miss Butterfly asked for your help. They need you.
Huh? Kiki and Miumiu Rescue Team, let's go!
Stop! Everybody stop! Stop! Oh no! He fainted! Where's the rescue team? Ah, here they come!
According to the map, they must be there!
Okay, shrink, land! You made it! Don't worry, we'll take care of this. Miumiu, check on the ant!
Okay. Start analyzing! Are in. He collapsed from exhaustion.
Exhaustion? He needs to recharge.
Wow, he's waking up. Huh? Where are you going? Why did he go back?
Huh? That's weird. There must be a reason.
I need to check more data. The army ants usually follow the leader. So when something happens to him, the rest get lost and confused like this.
That's right. The leader disappeared after a strong wind blew in.
Where's he gone?
Let me find him. Scanning. Target found! He's over there! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help! Oh no! He's gotten severely stuck in the mud! Kiki and Miumiu Rescue Team! That's right! We'll save you! Super rope gun! Thanks for saving me! You're welcome. Let's go back right now. Attention! Forward march! Left,
That's
right,
good.
left,
Everybody's
right,
okay.
Left, right,
Yes.
right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Oh no! A strong wind again! Be careful! Protect the eggs! My babies! You can count on me.
Let's go together.
Oh, they're flying too fast. I need support from the headquarters. Kaka, we have another problem. We need Pilot Momo's help.
Copy that. Momo, we have a support request from Kiki. Please move out now.
Here comes the flying Momo. Here I am! Shrink, prepare for descent! The helicopter bus is in place!
Momo, look! Huh? There are eggs on the leaves. I'll tell you the location. Please save them.
No problem!
They flew to the right. Oh, to the left.
Wow, they're so awesome!
Yeah!
And the last one!
What? It's blown away. Go after it.
I got it! Faster! I'm caught by the branch!
Oh no! Follow me. Is everybody ready?
Yes!
It's coming! To the left! Move slightly to the right! That's not good! Danger! Super speed!
Oh, thank you so much. You're welcome. It's all thanks to Kiki and Miumiu's rescue team.
Bye! Bye!
Oh, yeah. Kiki and Miumiu Rescue Team, keeping you safe!
Yoo-hoo! Time to look for some nectar! Be careful, Betty! Don't worry, I'm an excellent scout bee. We're gonna search the left for nectar. You take charge of the right. No problem! The scent of flowers! Wow! I found them! So many flowers! So sweet! The nectar is nice! I need to tell my friends about it! La 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 la. Hey Betty, are you alright? Wow! It's Momo's lollipops!
It's so yummy!
They're made out of honey. Look!
Wow, it's honey. That's why the lollipops are so sweet. Huh? Emergency! Kaka, what's the emergency?
Scout bee is a kind of honeybee who looks for nectar, water, and suitable places to build a new hive. Today, one of the scout bees got hurt and fainted while looking for nectar. Her life is in danger now. She needs your help.
We're on it! Super Rescue Team, let's go!
What happened to her? She fainted. We've already called Super Rescue Team. The rescue bus is here. Super Rescue Team, please help Betty here.
Leave it to us.
Start analyzing. Here's the result. Smoke is detected in her body, and it made her temperature rise. We need to cool her down right now.
Smoke? Smoke scares honeybees more than anything else. Oh, it was the car exhaust fumes.
Got it. Leave it to me. Super recovery machine.
Betty, how are you feeling? I'm feeling much better. Super Rescue Team, you've saved my life. Thank you. Betty, Your Majesty.
Are you all right?
I'm fine. Look, I found nectar.
What are they doing? She's doing the bee dance. Honeybees show their friends the location of nectar by dancing.
That's great. She found a big flower bed. Collecting team, gather up. Follow Betty to the flower bed.
Got it.
Hey, Betty. We haven't seen honeybees collecting nectar before. Can we go with you?
Of course. Let's go.
Wow, it's such a big flower bed. We'll help you as well.
Take this.
Wow! Here you are, Betty.
Wow, that's a lot of nectar.
Phew.
I think I heard something.
Help! Help me!
They're Venus flytraps!
The sticky mucus of the Venus flytraps will hurt the bees. We need to help them out.
We got you!
One more over there! Lollipop? I have an idea. Kaka, we have another problem. We need Momo's support. Please ask her to bring all of her lollipops.
Copy that.
Huh? My lollipops?
That's right.
Ooh.
Please move out right now.
Okay, leave it to Flying Momo. My goodness! The Venus flytraps are everywhere!
Come on, Momo! Help us save the bees! Drop your lollipops into the Venus flytraps now!
Got it! Right away! What's going on? It's open!
Everyone, get out now!
Great! We're safe now! It's great that everyone's safe! Super Rescue Team, you're amazing! Oh, our nectar!
Super speed!
Yay! That's great!
Super Rescue Team, thank you so much. You saved our lives. You are our heroes. This is our little present for you.
Wow! It's honey!
It's so sweet!
This is so nice! Now I can make more honey lollipops!
You need better skills to climb well.
Strength is more important.
How about a competition? Let's see who can reach that first.
Okay.
Oh, there's an emergency!
It's mine.
Catch it! Woohoo! Yeah!
Hey!
Kako, what's the emergency?
Gecko, reptile, unique leg structure, an expert in working at height. Mr. Gecko just called for help. He suddenly can't climb as usual.
He needs your help.
Super Rescue Team, let's go!
Miss! When can we see the rainbow-colored banner?
Soon. I'll put it up soon. Then you can see it.
Wow, awesome! Yay!
Oh,
I won't let the kids down. Oh,
don't worry. The Super Rescue Team will be here soon. Look, the rescue bus.
Oh, you made it.
Mr. Gecko, what's wrong?
I was climbing the wall. Then I touched some bird poop. I slipped and fell to the ground. Now I can't climb the wall again.
Don't worry. Miu, check on Mr. Gecko.
Okay. Start analyzing. The results are in. The SETI on his hand is injured.
SETI? What's that?
Look, the gecko has a lot of hair on his foot pads. They're called SETI. They're adhesive and enable the gecko to climb the wall safely.
Oh, so now that they're injured, he can't climb.
Oh, that's what happened.
Is this serious?
Don't worry. You'll recover soon. Start! Shrink!
Wow!
Scanning! Wounds detected! Super recovery machine! All done!
So itchy.
Mr. Gecko, don't touch it! Kiki, are you okay?
Sorry, my hand was so itchy. My hands are all better. I can climb the wall again.
Mr. Gecko, I just heard it might rain. So we will start the event earlier.
I'll start working right now.
Only 15 minutes left.
Huh? Oh, not enough time. The kids will be really disappointed. It's all my fault.
Mr. Gecko, we'll help you.
Thank you so much. But who can climb up to the same height as me?
Don't worry. Calling headquarters. Kaka, we have another problem. We need Hank's help.
Copy that. Hank, Kiki asked for backup. Please move out now.
Copy that. The great Hank can solve any problem.
still a lot left. Oh.
Aerial ladder.
Huh. Wow, great! We can get it done together. Huh.
Wow, I want to try too.
Now let's put up the banner.
Leave it to us. Oh no!
Super speed!
It's falling! Luckily you got it. Mr. Gecko, sorry.
Well, sorry for what?
Just now, you lost your tail. It's all my fault. Huh?
Wow!
Huh? What? How did that happen?
Let me check the data. A gecko's tail is weak. He will drop it when in danger and grows a new one quickly.
Oh, I see.
Super Rescue Team, keeping you safe.
Attention all citizens. The typhoon is coming. Please be careful. Shut all windows and prepare for the typhoon.
One, two. Be careful, guys. Thank you. No problem.
The typhoon is coming! Go back home, everyone! Be careful!
Thank you.
Huh? Miumiu, emergency! Let's go back to headquarters! Kaka, what's the emergency?
Woodchuck. He has hard claws, and he's a great farmer. But today, while harvesting crops before the typhoon comes, he got hurt. He needs your help.
We're on it. Super Rescue Team, let's go!
Mr. Woodchuck!
Super Rescue Team, please help me!
Ouch! Oh. My hand hurts so much.
Don't worry. I'll give you a checkup. Start analyzing. Here's the result. Mr. Woodchuck's hand is hurt, and his claws are broken too. Mr. Woodchuck digs the soil with his claws. He can't do his job if they are hurt.
Oh no! I need to harvest my crops! What do I do?
Don't worry. Leave it to me. Start shrinking. I found the wounds! Super recovery machine! Recovery complete!
I feel much better! That's great! I can work again!
Wow! You're awesome, Mr. Woodchuck!
Huh? Oh no! The typhoon will be here soon! I don't have much time!
We'll help you, Mr. Woodchuck.
There are still many crops left to harvest! We need support from headquarters! Kaka, we have another problem. Ask Momo and Hank for support.
Copy that. Momo, Hank, Kiki needs your help. Move out right now.
Copy that. Telling Buzz a ride.
Great! Come help us harvest the crops!
Got it.
No, not yet! There's one more!
What? One more?
Look at this!
Whoa! Such an enormous radish!
This is my precious super radish! Come on, let's pull it out!
Yo-ho!
It's too big! We can't pull it out!
Wow, it's so big!
Come on, Hank! Help us to pull it out!
Leave it to me! Nothing can stop Super Strong Hank!
Yo-ho! Yo-ho! Yo-ho!
Look, it's moving! Pull it harder, everyone!
Yo-ho! Yo-ho! Wow! Let me help you pull it out! Yo-ho! 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 Yo-ho!
Come on, everyone!
Pull it out! Pull it out!
Pull
to the barn!
A typhoon has passed. Don't forget to go and get your food, everyone.
Thank you, Mr. Woodchuck. Bye.
Super Rescue Team, thanks to you, I was able to harvest all of my crops.
Mr. Woodchuck, can you teach me how to grow big radishes?
Of course!
Awesome! If I had a radish like this, I'd be able to make radish dishes for a month.
What? Radish dishes for a month?
Yeah! Fried radishes, steamed radishes, radish soup, radish cakes, roasted radishes.